What's up everyone, welcome to Key to Blogging, and in this video I will show you how you can fix a accessibility error in your Blogger website. So as you can see, this is a website, and if I check the accessibility settings, here you will see an error like this: user-scalable no is used in the meta name viewport element, or the maximum scale attribute is less than 5. So how you can fix this error? And this because you have to fix the meta tag meta viewport. So you can fix this by searching this meta tag in your Blogger theme and change it with the right meta tag. So let's go to the Blogger dashboard, and I will go to the theme here, and I will click on edit HTML here, and I will simply search for viewport, and here it is. This is the meta tag. So here you need to change something in this value. So what I can do is I will change this meta tag with this meta tag, or I can simply change the maximum scale to 5. So let me just copy the whole tag from here, and I will replace this with this tag. Now let me just click on save changes here, and let's go to the page speed inside, and let me just open this in a new tab. Let's copy the URL from here. I will paste it here. Let's analyze it. Alright, now scroll down and let's go to the accessibility settings here. And as you can see that error is now gone, and now the accessibility score is jumped to 79, but earlier it is 68 and it is showing this error, user scalable no. So you have to fix this meta viewport meta tag. So I have already covered a detailed video on meta tags, so you can watch that video. The link will be given in the description. So if you found this video helpful and fix this accessibility error in your Blogger website, then make sure to hit the like button. And if you want to fix a lot of page speed inside related errors, then you can check out the page speed improvement playlist in the channel. So I will see you in the next video. Thank you.